One of the most common questions I get asked is how to remove hard water spots off of glass. And if you don't have the right products, it can be challenging, but with the right product, it's quick, fast, simple, and easy. Diamondite Glass Water Spot Remover Gel uses fast-acting cleaners to dissolve hard water spots off of glass surfaces. When you apply this product, because it's a thick gel, it lays across the glass surface where the fast-acting cleaners go to work dissolving things like the calcium hard water spots that build up on the outside of your car's glass. The benefit to the gel formula is it doesn't run off on vertical panels. It stays where you put it so it can go to work, not you. Application is easy. Using a microfiber applicator pad, spread and massage the gel over the glass surface where it can dwell for up to 30 seconds. Then, using a dampened microfiber towel, wipe the area clean. Diamondite Glass Cleaner Water Spot Remover Gel leaves the glass perfectly clean without leaving anything else behind on the surface. This makes it also the perfect product to use before using a glass coating. So if you've struggled to remove hard water spots off your car's glass, here's the solution. To get your bottle of Diamondite Glass Water Spot Remover Gel, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.